Hello, magandang araw po sa inyo and welcome po dito sa iWin, My Choice, Wisdom Network po. So this is Louie Garcia, yours truly, ang mag-explain po sa inyo kung ano po si iWin at ano po yung opportunity na naghihintay sa inyo. So for now, lend me your ear. Wala akong commitment po ito, subukan nyo lang pakinggan. Nandito ho kayo para evaluate, i-process, aralin, at tingnan ho ninyo kung meron na kayong mapupulot na value. Just stay with me. Mahirap pong mag-decide sa isang bagay na hindi nyo naintindihan at mas lalong mahirap mag-decide sa isang bagay sasali ka na hindi nyo nauunawa ng anumang bagay. Alright? So para for the clarity of everyone or everything, so I welcome you personally and on behalf of our team, no? So I'm so glad na nandito po kayo at nakikinig kayo na itong presentation na to. So alright, so let's get it on. Ang iWin is a sole proprietorship company, Filipino-owned and registered by Mr. Francisco Kiko Javier, with a home-based business address in Talisay City, Cebu. Mr. Kiko Javier is a businessman, network marketer, online marketer, mentor, and inspirational online trainer. His advocacy of entrepreneurship and online marketing resulted in creating more than thousands of successful internet entrepreneurs and millionaires at this present time. So, iWisdom Network is a business solution hub provider na specialized sa exclusive clothing design, custom printing, and online business system. So, bakit ito po yung pinasok natin? Kasi yung fashion industry po na lagi hong mananatili sa negosyo. At lagi po ito yung kailangan ng tao, no? One of the 4 basic needs ng tao. At continuous po nag-i-evolve yung ating interest sa mga style and fashion trend. Now, let's talk about kung ano naman po yung advantage and disadvantage po ng clothing store. Ang isa sa mga popular ho ng retail store ay yung sa pagkakaroon ng shop ay yung tinatawag po natin pagbebenta ng mga damit. Kaya mapapansin niyo po sa mall, mostly ho doon, puro damit, no? And na-outnumber po ng mga boutique yung mga kainan o yung mga pharmacy ho, no? Ang kagandahan ng retail clothing ho, maganda po yung markup nito. Hindi ko katulad ng mga sari-sari store, mga piso to 2 piso lang. Malaki ho ang room para sa profit kasi ho, you can play around with your stocks and designs. Tapos ho, hindi nyo kailangan ng mas matinding permit o regulatory agencies katulad ho ng restaurant. Pag nagtayo kayo ng restaurant, kailangan nyo po ng food and health permits. Kung nagtayo naman ho kayo ng mga pharmacy, kailangan nyo rin po ng pharmacy. So, kailangan po merong license po dyan. Now, disadvantage lang ho ng clothing store is medyo prone ho kayo sa tinatawag na theft o yung sewing crates, no ho? In short, ito po yung mga unmanageable checking po ng inyong inventory, no? Particularly pagka mababait po yung inyong mga sales staff pag wala po kayo. Sama na rin ho natin dyan yung mga shoplift, no? Normally si customer kukuha na limang item and yung isa ho doon hindi nyo nahuhubarin. So, may mga pangyayari ngayon based on our research. Yung styles and trends, mabilis sumubog bago ho yan. So, pag hindi ho kayo nag-adapt mabilis sa fashion trend at hindi ho saleable yung item nyo, meron pang mga unsold inventory na equivalent to your loss po. Ang match po kasi ng clothing business, no, na mention ko po kanina, na mabilis po yung mag-change po yung fashion and trends. So, ang advantage po na meron kayong silk screen business ho, na just for clothing. So, magagamit din po ito sa mga promotional material or any promotional item po. Now, silk screen ho kasi, ang pinaka-popular po dyan, yung silk screen printing kasi ho, napakamura at madali yung mag-cope up, no, sa ever-changing design and trends and fashion. Yung silk screen process po can afford an opportunity to print images at mga text po, no? At hindi lang po damit yung kanyang kayang i-print. Tapos medyo mababa po yung risk natin dito kasi wala masyadong tinatawag na machineries. Manual lang po ang silk screen printing. Ang disadvantage po, mabagal po to dahil wala nga po tayong machine. Kasi po, mano-mano po itong ginagawa. So, syempre, kung maliit lang po yung scale ng ating production, mas lalo na kung baguhan po kayo, ilang tables lang po meron kayo, of course, you cannot afford to have a huge production capacity kasi kailangan ng malaking kapital. Okay? Now, labor intensive po siya. Of course, kung malakihan mo yan, you'll be needing a lot of manpower sa part na to. Now, aralin ho natin kung paano ho mag-setup na itong dalawang to. Just in case na nandun yung interest mo at gusto nyo mag-put up ng ganitong business, well, of course, to give you an idea, yung startup cost na tinatawag, no, ito po yung tinatawag ng space rental, construction, equipment, future initial inventory, no, yung mga paninda po ninyo para sa iba't ibang sizes, sa iba't ibang kulay, at iba't ibang design. Okay? And kailangan nyo po ng permit, of course, yung DTI, BIR. So, those are the things. So, dito pa lang ho, more or less, actually, sa initial inventory na lang ho pag-usapan natin, sabihin natin, mga 100,000. Sa space rental and construction, well, mababa po 100,000 again dyan. Sa business licenses, more or less, nasa more than 10,000 and up. Ito po. And of course, yung system setup, yung computerization, kung paano nyo maglagay ng website. So, sa website design nyo, that's another cost. And of course, yung accounting ho ninyo, well, of course, that's optional. Pwede naman ng mano-mano o manual. And then, of course, meron na tayong tinatawag ng mga sales and marketing management. No? Ito po yung mga online and offline merchandising mo ninyo, yung mga visual arts, katulad ng mga mannequin, hanger, no? And of course, kailangan mo naman power hiring and firing, and of course, competition. Yung return of investment ho ninyo, matagal ho, kung mamuhunan ho kayo ng mga 300,000, it takes time bago nyo mabawi, kasi hindi naman ho po kayo nakabenta kayo, kita nyo, no. You have to recover, and then yung tinatawag na revolving capital. And of course, may mga tinatawag ho diyang depreciations. Now, let's proceed to... So, more or less, ito po, no? Pinaka-conservative na po ito na kailangan yung amount para mag-set up kayo ng clothing retail store. Now, let's talk about the silk screen printing business. So, again, may startup cost, may system setup cost, may sales and advertising management, manpower, commission, the same. So, more or less, sabihin na rin natin 200,000. So, para ho sa dalawang negosyo ho ito, no? Pag kinumbine niyo ho yan, that is 400,000 or more. Okay? Now, sa amin ho, what if operan ho namin kayo, we will set up everything for you. Kami na hong bahala sa lahat. Turnkey operation na lang ho, and then you only have to pay 350,000. Now, on a business sense, sobrang reasonable po yung price na to. But, for an average earner like us, you and me, of course, gustuin man ho natin, pero wala ho tayong ganyang amount for us to start. Sabihin na lang ho natin, buy one, take one. Very, very reasonable po yan. Kung meron nyo kayong ganyan, no, you'll gonna grab this. But again, as an ordinary average earner, wala pa rin tayo dyan. Even it's super drop-down offer pa natin ng 100,000 yan, ilan lang mo sa atin makaka-afford ng ganyang amount. Okay? Kahit super love offer pa po ng 50,000 yan. Now, the good news is, what we offer you, 16,000. All-in package na po yan. Sabihin na natin wala kayong 16,000, but I know for sure, at least yung 16,000 is much more realistic kahit gawan nyo ng paraan yan. Para ka lang, mas mahal pa ho yung iPad o mas mahal pa yung iPhone 5S. Di ba po? Okay? Now, breakdown ko lang po kung ano po yung inclusion sa 16,000. Actually, that's 15,998. And by the way, let me inform you, this is an introductory price. So, this is a limited offer lang po para sa first 200 subscriber po. First come, first serve na po. Now, ano po yung inclusion? So, everything done for you. So, I'm proud to say this is a unique business concept, first concept in the market. O, 15,998 rather. So, meron akong custom printing services. Ano ibig sabihin nun? You can accept mga job orders po. Okay? Yung mga pa-print po. You only have to meet a certain requirements po. So, you have your online store setup. Again, sa pag-setup pa lang ho ng online with payment processing ho, itong 15,998, nako, kahit magtanong kayo ng kahit sinong programmer ho, sobrang liit pa ho na ito para for this type of setup. Na po? And sa iWin ho, panalo kayo. Meron na kayong online store, which will be up very, very soon. And then, ang maganda ho na ito sa 15,998 ho ninyo, meron ho kagad kayong initial inventory na 16,200. Kumbaga, loaded up na po yung online store nyo ng worth 16,200 out of 15,998, di ba po? So, ibenta nyo po yung suggested retail price, ito po yung gross price. So, from then on ho, wala po kayong ginagawa. Doon pa lang ho, makikita nyo, mafigure out nyo, panalo na kagad po kayo. So, very reasonable po itong ino-offer namin opportunity sa inyo. And then, of course, you will be qualified to have discount at 25% to 50%. That is lifetime opportunity sa inyo. And then, of course, you will be qualified to have discount at 25% to 50%. That is lifetime. No minimum, no maximum. Sales requirement, you'll have your iWin official t-shirt. Sorry for that. And then, meron na kayong digital marketing collaterals, Facebook marketing training video. By the way, for your information, yung mga training video na makikita nyo ho, no, exclusive for dealers, hindi po ito ginrab lang ho sa YouTube. Ito po ay binili po talaga, valued at 5,000. Plus yung mga high converting Facebook timeline graphics. So, binili din po yan ng team iWin, no, ng netong team na to. No. And of course, you are automatically qualified but not mandatory na gawin po yung affiliate marketing program. Okay? So, friends, ladies and gentlemen, kabayan, ito po yung inclusion po ng 15,998. So, very, very reasonable at value for money po talaga. Now, just in case nalalakihan pa rin kayo dyan, meron na tayong tinatang na starter business package which only cost you 4,998. Meron din ho kayong online store setup with payment processing. Meron ho kayong 6,750 worth of merchandise, gross, and 25 to 50% lifetime discount. Entitled na rin po kayo. Meron kayong official t-shirt, digital marketing collaterals, step-by-step Facebook marketing training video, high-converting Facebook timeline graphics, and you are also qualified to do the affiliate marketing program po. So, ang difference lang ho nito sa Elite Business Package is wala ho siyang custom printing. Now, the subsequent illustration po sa mga papakita ho namin sa inyo na opportunity, let me remind you, this is not the usual way na naririnig nyo ho sa mga presentation outside, no ho, yung mga tinatawag natin multi-level marketing. Ako po, in my own point of view, I would say this is not another MLM program po. Okay, anyway, just give me time to explain it. As we go along, makikita nyo naman ho talaga yung transparency ng ating program. Okay, so we have 5 iWin plan payout system. So, iWin plan number 1, ito po yung tinatang nating offline selling. So, meaning ito po yung person-to-person selling. Since you are entitled to 25, 50 to 50% discount, suggested retail price po natin, for instance, 450. And then you avail a discount, dealer's price, so meron na kayong profit. Okay? Now, meron na tayong mga occasional, This is occasional, special edition ng mga design na entitled po kayo sa buy one, take one. So, yun nga lang ho, babayaran nyo ho siya at suggested retail price. So, 450. So, you buy one and we'll give you another one. So, lumalabas ho, parang 50%, no po? So, yung presyo na lang ho niya, net is 225. Ibenta mo ng 450, you make profit of 225. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, that's 100% profit. 225 pesos po yung puhunan, and then you make a profit of 225 pesos at ubo. So, that is 100% profit. Now, disadvantage lang ng physical inventory. Ang ibig kong sabihin, hawak nyo yung paninda nyo. Okay? On hand. Alright? So, anong ibig sabihin ng limited design? Let's say, kinuha nyo puro white and black and puro medium and large. Kaya siya limited. What if may umorder sa'yo ng yellow, pink, blue? So, you are limited to options. And, may naganap ng extra small, eventually, hindi nyo rin masiserve. That's my point in explaining the limited design options. On credit or giveaway sales, normally ho kasi pag person-to-person selling ho, you're prone to utang. Utang na loob. Joke lang po yan. And of course, higher operating expenses kasi ho, mamasahe kayo, merienda kayo. Nagre-require ho ng time, effort, and skills. para kumita lang ho kayo ng 112, babiyahe pa ho kayo. Now, I have this proposition. Irene is, meron ng concept ginawa na very unique. Understanding that scenario ho, ito po yun yung tinatawag na virtual online store. Yung tinatawag nating e-inventory o yung tinatawag nating electronic inventory. Ang ibig kong sabihin nun na yung panindaho ninyo hindi nyo po hawak, nasa online store lang po. Okay? So, very flexible po yung inventory. Kumbaga, universal po siya. Pwede nyo po siyang gamitin in any design, any color, any sizes. Kung ano lang po yung orderin sa inyo ng customer, yun lang po yung ipupull out natin sa electronic inventory ho ninyo. Now, ang advantage ho nun, kung nasa abroad man ho kayo, at may umorder ho sa Pilipinas, we will assist you sa delivery services po. Of course, applicable po dito yung shipping and handling. Now, ang advantage po ng online is pay first before you deliver. Kasi normal transaction no, sa online, customer will pay you first, no? So, I suggest you make your documentation para sa mga transaction na para mag-build mo ng trust sa online. Okay? Anyway, we will teach you on that matter po. Okay? So, 24/7 ho siya. Kahit natutulog po kayo, as long naka-upload po yung picture po na binibenta yung t-shirt sa Facebook nyo o doon sa online store nyo po, pinupost nyo po yung link ng online store nyo po. So, nag-ooperate po 24/7. Ang kagandahan nun neto, minimal yung operating expenses nyo. Kasi hindi nyo po kailangan mag-travel. Okay? And no territorial boundary. Kasi po, as long it is online, wala siyang restriction pagdating sa place. Not unlike do sa physical, sa offline selling, kung taga Baguio kayo, sa Baguio lang kayo makakabenta. You have to travel far away para makabenta sa ibang lugar. Dito sa virtual, kahit saan pwede. So again, sabi ko nga po, ang advantage ng virtual, pag may umorder sa inyo, your customer will pay to us, i-remit po yung corresponding payment and shipping and handling. We will assist you sa pag-impake ho at pagpapadala po ng product doon sa doorstep ng inyong customer. And you keep the profit. I-deposit po namin sa inyong account. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo ho, obviously, this is the most practical and best business strategy na ito po. Again, you have the option. And that is Irene plan number 1. Now, let's proceed sa tinatawag nating custom printing. Friends, let me explain again. Yung custom printing po is exclusive po para sa mga elite business package na po. Sila po yung may privilege ng ganitong services. So, napakalawak po nito, no, sa mga corporate giveaways, family class reunions, special events, school uniform excursion, election campaigns, fun runs. So, yun po yung advantage po ng custom printing. So, hindi po kayo napapako sa design. You yourself can also create ng mga sarili nyong design, and you keep the profit. Kaya ang advantage pa ng custom printing, kayo rin po magdi-dictate ng inyong price. Since very rare po itong mga design na di-design nyo, of course, you have the power to dictate kung ano mga price ang gusto nyo ilagay sa tag ng inyong mga exclusive design. And another advantage po ng custom printing, you can play around, no, with your design para sa mga portion ng campaign nyo online. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin na pag nag-i-intro kayo ng design, pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang-attract ho ng mga lead, no? Let's say you want to give a certain discount for those people na magla-like ng mga picture na pinost nyo sa Facebook. Again, meron na tayong mga training para dyan. So, it will lead you, it will generate you leads and pwede mo siyang gamitin sa promotional activities. So, once again, this is a wonderful privilege po para sa mga elite business package dealers po.